Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai immigration, specifically discussing accounting documents. So we're talking about this usually in the context of a work permit holder with a business visa or possibly an marriage visa who is attempting to obtain a visa extension. And part and parcel of the application process for an extension is a whole host of documentation associated with a business visa. And the purpose of this video, as the title suggests, Thai immigration is looking backward over a certain period of time to ascertain whether or not basically the business is bona fide. And they're going to be looking backward at a number of types of documents associated with maintaining business visa status. I mean, just off the top of my head, things associated with tax payment, documentation associated with payroll, Social Security, etc. And in a sense, they're very much looking back. So the reason I bring this up and the reason for the video is, in many people's minds, matters pertaining to visas and immigration do not really connect with accounting documentation. I mean, frankly, we have an accounting division here at the firm, and it basically formed directly as a result of dealing with so many immigration issues on behalf of clients using other accounting firms that were just, in some cases, woefully unaware, sometimes I think intentionally unaware of how accounting needed to be done, documentation necessary, and in what time frame documentation had to be produced with respect to a given company in order to keep visa and work permit issues in order to maintain that status. And again, I'm not casting aspersions on any accounting firms. I'm just simply saying their modus operandi, their MO is to do accounting work. They're not necessarily looking at the immigration implications of having certain documentation processed a certain way or in a certain time frame. They're simply looking at it, hey, we do accounting. And this can cause problems, and it's something to be aware of, especially for those who are sort of first-timers. They're dealing with their first year or two, perhaps, in Thailand in business visa status, especially SMEs and startups. You know, not having one's documentation fully in order with respect to accounting documentation before filing for a business visa can cause really serious problems for folks looking to extend their status here in the Kingdom of Thailand.